Hello everyone, myself Deepali Bhaskar Gazre. I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's Engineering College of Solapur and my branch of Computer Science and Engineering from second year B division. My roll number is 73 and my today's topic is fitting of a curve. Fitting of curve means it is required to express given data in empirical law which connects the two variables involved in the process. It is the always possible fit a curve for the given data having a n number of observation by method least square, method of group averages, method of movements. In method of least squares, it involves corresponding normal equation of the given type of a curve using summation, and its styles curve are straight line curve, parabolic curve, exponential curve. We see the point of a parabolic curve. Fitting of a parabola. Fitting of parabola means it is the second degree curve. Y is equal to plus a plus bx plus cx square. It is the first equation. Their corresponding normal equation are summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube. Then summation x square y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x raised to 4. This is the formula we use fitting of a parabola. It is the equations of fitting of parabola. Find the value of a, b, c so that the curve y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square is the best fitted curve for the following data. It is an x and y value. We can draw a table based upon the formulas x square, x raised to 3, x raised to 4, x raised to 2 and y. So we put up the value of x and y 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and y 1, 0, 3, 10, 21. We can multiply these two 0, 0, 6, 30, 84. We can calculate the x square 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. X raised to 3 0, 1, 8, 27, 64. X raised to 4 value 0, 1, 16, 81 to 56. And then x square y, x square and y, we can multiply this 0, 0, 12, 90, 336. It is then a summation of this equation. Summation x is equal to 10, summation y is equal to 35, summation x y is equal to 120, summation x square is equal to 30, summation x cube is equal to 100, summation x raised to 4 is equal to 354 and summation x square y is equal to 5438. We can put up this value in this formula. Firstly, summation y is equal to 35, then is equal to n a. N is means number of values in table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5a plus 10. 10b means summation x value plus summation x square. Summation x square 30. We can put this value. Then summation xy. Summation xy value is where this is 120. We can put. Then summation x 10a plus summation x square 13b plus summation x cube. Put this. Then summation x square y. Put this value 238. Then summation x square 30a. Then summation x cube 100b. Then summation x raised to 4 354. We can solve this equation by using calculus. Then put the value of a1 5, then b1 10, then c1 30, then d1 35, then a2 10, b2 30, c3 d2 120, then a3 30, then b3 100, then c3 354, then d3 4438. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 3, z is equal to 2. We consider as the a, b, c. Then put this value. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 3. Here is the about of a fitting of a parabola questions. Thank you.